Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very beautiful and stylish messenger flower arrangement designs ideas. Messengers with flowers look very beautiful and simple. This decoration can change a normal place into a lovely and peaceful space. Anyone can make it easily at home. You only need a calm mason jar and some fresh flowers. When flowers are placed in a mason jar, they look natural and elegant. This idea is perfect for people who love simple decorations. It shows that beauty does not always need expensive things. A mason jar flower arrangement can brighten any room in the house. You can place it on a table, shelf or windows. The colors of flowers bring happiness and positive energy. This craft idea is very creative and relaxing. When you arrange flowers in a jar, you feel calm and happy. Creative activities like this are also good for the mind. One great thing about mason jar flowers is that they are very affordable. You can use flowers from your garden or even wild flowers. Simple things can create the most beautiful decorations. Mason jars can also be painted or decorated with ribbons and lace and beads. This makes the jar even more attractive, and small details can make a big difference in decoration. These flower jars are perfect for home decoration and they make the house feel warm and welcoming. Guests also notice and appreciate such beautiful handmade ideas. A mason jar with flowers is also a lovely gift idea. You can give it to friends or family on bright birthdays or special days. Handmade gifts always feel more special and meaningful. Fresh flowers in a mason jar also remind us to enjoy nature, and nature gives us so many beautiful colors and fragrance. We should always appreciate this small blessing. You can change the flowers according to the season. For example, bright flowers in summer and soft colors in spring. This keeps your decoration fresh and interesting. This decoration idea is also perfect for wedding and parties. Mason jar flower arrangements create a romantic and peaceful atmosphere. You can place mason jars with flowers on dining tables and they make the table look elegant and inviting. Even a simple meal feels special with beautiful decoration. All ideas is very beautiful, and this decoration idea is also perfect for weddings and parties. You can place mason jars with flowers on dining table and they make the table look elegant and inviting. Even a simple meal feels special and beautiful decoration. Always remember to change the water in the jar every day, and this helps the flowers stay fresh for a longer time. Taking care of flowers teaches responsibilities. Children can also enjoy making these crafts. This is a fun and safe activity for the whole family. Craft time together create happy memories. Mason jars are also good for recycling and protecting the environment instead of throwing them away, and we can reuse them. Creativity. Always remember, it's a very amazing and very creative ideas and most beautiful, most demanding and different creating ideas. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need to get support. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative, very useful ideas. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. It's a very beautiful, amazing and very useful idea and very beautiful and outstanding Anti-stress decoration. Most beautiful, most demanding and very beautiful, lovely ideas in this video. Keep watching, keep supporting, and please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. So friends, many people love rustic style decoration and mason jars are perfect for that. They give a natural and countryside feeling to the home. And you can use different types of flowers like roses, daisies or lavender. Each flower has its own beauty and fragrance. Arranging flowers in a jar also teach creativity and patience, and it takes a little time, but the result is always wonder. When you decorate your home with flowers, it creates a peaceful and happy environment for everyone. In the end, mason jar flowers show that creativity has no limits. With simple materials and a little love, you can create something truly beautiful. And if you want to see others crafting ideas, so you can visit in my channel. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.